Here's some Poppy. Get a hold of that hair. Get a hold of that hair. Get a hold of that hair. Oh, don't bang your head on me. Get, Hi. Who's got you? Who's got you? She looked around like, hi. Who are you? What?
Jerk her head.
Gracious. She's bouncing. I'm not doing it.
Be your bouncer.
Yeah. What happened? The bouncing stopped. What happened? What happened? Amelia. Kissy, kissy. Oh, oh my. Oh my. What do you see over there? What caught your eye? Yeah, what did you see there, huh? Oh, such a pretty girl.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello.
What? Are you going to check me out again? Who is it?
Hello.
Who is this funny person here? Huh? Who is it? You are so strong.
She works out.
So strong. Yes, you are. I wonder what you're like when you're just out of bed and just fresh energy. Yes, what would you be like? What would you be like?
Surprisingly, very similar to this.
What are you doing? Playing patty cake?
Yeah, can you play patty cake?
Patty cake?
Wow, she's not gonna let me do those art. Patty cake, baker's band. No. No. Oh, okay. You want to bounce some more? Want to bounce some more? Bounce. You are so cute. You are so cute. Yes, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. I'm still here. What do you think about that? Yeah, Poppy's over there and Gran's here. Grandma's here.